Everyone, me Bob the Cartoon here. Today, I'm gonna do something I don't normally do. So for Christmas, I got this. Yeah, new laptop. It's got Windows 8.1. So today we're gonna be doing a comparison between this Windows 8 laptop, which has 8 GB of RAM, and this Windows 7 with only 1.5 GB of RAM. Now, there is no comparison on which computer is better. There's just no comparison at all. Obviously, the better computer is the Windows 7 computer. I mean, just everything about this is so much more better in every way possible. So this video is mainly for people who haven't downgraded to Windows 8, if they're thinking of doing that or not. So it's mainly for people who have Windows 7, Vista, or XP, or thinking about downgrading. So yeah. So the first part I'm going to talk about is basically the people who are actually defending Windows 8. Now, I've used a bunch of different versions of Windows. I've used Windows 98, stupid Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8, and I can easily say Windows 8 is definitely the worst Windows I have ever used. Now, there are a bunch of people out there who say you just have to learn how to use Windows 8. If you learn how to use it, that's good. Anyone who says that is an idiot. You shouldn't have to relearn how to use a Windows computer. I mean, if you know how to use Windows 7, you know how to use every single other Windows except for Windows 8. Now, I know how to use Windows 8. For me, it was easy. It takes about 5 minutes to learn. But the thing is, I'm a genius. We all know that the average computer user is a dumb idiot. We all know this. So, this is a real life situation. I mean, imagine if you're at a business or something, and this is what new workstation laptop. We got new Windows 8 on it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go open Microsoft Word. Alright, I'm gonna click on start. What's this? What is this? Oh yeah, alright, yes. It changed in this version of Windows. Instead, you have to put your mouse up here, move the mouse down, click search, and then search for Microsoft Word. What? Why do I have to do that? It's just that, you know, with Microsoft trying to do new stuff, you know. No, I can't do this. This is horrible. No, I can't do this. I can't just do all this. I want my Windows 7 back. I mean, look at that. I just press start. If it loads, and then I just click on Microsoft Word. And then, yeah, that's all. No, I can't do this. No, I can't use Windows 8. Alright, fine, then you'll just have to use Windows 7. Good. I mean, that's what would happen in a real-life situation. People don't want to... If you change something that people have been using for so many years, people don't want to use it. And what is this? What is this? These ugly squares. Just, what... Now Windows has apps. I mean, do you really need this? No, you don't. You don't need this. Did you need this in Windows 7? No, you didn't. Just X out of that. You didn't need it. You know why? Because it's useless. Completely useless. I can see if you're on a Windows tablet or a Windows phone, alright, Windows 8 is passable. But anyway, if I'm gonna get something like that has a touchscreen, I'm gonna buy an Apple one. Because it's better. So anyway, So now I'm going to go through the new start screen. Yeah, and go through all the apps. So first we got Outlook Express, which they just call Mail. Alright, that's okay. You got Skype, alright. You got Internet Explorer, alright. You got the desktop. Shouldn't that be what always shows up when you turn on the computer? You got your documents, your pictures, this PC, which is just my computer. I don't know why they changed it, because it sounds dumb now. You got your weather. Why do you need that? Just turn on the weather channel, or go on the internet. You got your webcam, you got your PC settings. Why do you need that? Just use control panel. It's just dumb. You got Kindle. What's that? It's just stupid. You got Xbox Xbox games. I don't have an Xbox. I don't like Xbox. I have a PlayStation. I have a PlayStation 4, which sucks. I mean, I know it's Microsoft and everything, but still, they're fully aware that not everyone's gonna have an Xbox. Xbox video and music? How dumb is that? When you can just use Windows Media Player. I mean, what kind of stupid idiot thought of that? Bing Maps. Now, Microsoft is trying to push Bing a lot by putting all these Bing apps. It's just going to make people hate Bing even more, because who uses Bing Maps? Google Maps is better. Calendar, that's just more Microsoft Outlook Express. Bing money. Bing money. Stocks. Who cares? Just turn on CNBC. Bing Health and Fitness. That's just stupid. Who's gonna ever use that? No one. iStorytime. What is this, an Apple thing? Get that out of here. OneNote is included with Microsoft Office 2013, which is the worst Microsoft Office I've ever seen in my whole life. OneDrive, who cares? Never going to use it. Sonic Dash, I downloaded that off the Windows Store, which is the only things that should be on this start menu is the things I downloaded on there. Windows Store. Why do you have the Xbox Store then? Stupid. Reading list. Who's ever going to use that? Stupid. Scan. Dumb. Travel. Just use the internet. News. Just something. Just use the internet. Half of these things you just use the internet for. Bing Sports. No one cares. Bing Food and Drink. Yeah, who's going to use that? Photos. Why would they put that if they have Windows Photo Viewer? Just stupid. People. Who cares? Open tips. That's just stupid. Now, I downloaded Microsoft Office 2010 on this. Do not get Microsoft Office 2013. It is almost unusable. It's hideous, it's ugly, and it's just one of the worst things I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh look, touch screen. Now we got Ace-Wraps, Netflix. Alright. Microsoft Office. This is from Microsoft Office 2013. Just awful. Just terrible. McAfee, I didn't want you. Why did you come with this computer? Amazon, use the internet. Acer Explorer, stupid. Acer Weather, use the internet. Booking, use the internet. Movie Moments, why would I do that if I can just get Windows Movie Maker, which is better? Amazon, why do you have 2 apps of Amazon? Why? EverTouch, who cares? Dumb. eBay, use the internet. This stupid thing, who cares? So look, all of these apps are completely useless. Every single one. You never needed that on Windows 7. Why do you need it here? You don't. Just useless. All you need is your desktop. How doesn't Microsoft know this? It's just really stupid. Alright? And with this new start screen, everything takes so much more longer. It takes so long to do the simplest things. I mean, take a look at Windows 7. I'm going to open Paint. 1, 2, bam. We got Paint. If Paint opens up, right here, there, we got Paint. But if you want to do that on Windows 8, look how much work I had to go through. Alright, we had to click Start. Whoops, dumb Start menu. So we gotta click down on this arrow, scroll all the way to the end. Look at this. This sucks. This is dumb. And click on Paint. I didn't keep... How many clicks was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicks to get on Paint. Just to get on Paint. So what you gotta do is just pin all the stuff you use all the time on the dumb taskbar, like your recording software, your dumb control panel, and get the control panel. Just what you can do is right click here and click control panel. But who's going to think to right click on the start button? No one does that. So what people do is just click there and go there. Another way to do it is you move your mouse here, click this, and you actually have to search for Paint. You have to search for Paint. That sucks. That's stupid. Searching for Paint? What a stupid idea. I've heard some dumb stuff before, but searching for Paint? Really? That is one of the dumbest things I've ever heard in my whole life. And now, you know what? And another problem is that in Windows 8, they hide everything in the corners. Look here at Windows 7. You know you got this little thing when you click it, it shows your desktop. Windows 8 does have that, but guess what? Nothing shows up there. You click going down the corner, and there it is. Why are they hiding that? Why are they hiding that? The average person isn't going to know it's there because they can't see it. Why are they hiding that? It's just dumb. And then there's people who don't know how to close the apps or something. Let's go to the weather. And look what they have done. Alright. Now, the average person is going to say, alright, where's the X? How do I get out of this? What most people would do is press the Windows key. But this is how you do it. You have to move your mouse to the top, and there's the X. Why can't it just put the X right there? I mean, is it really that hard to just show that? Also, to close everything at once, you have to move your mouse up here, and there shows up the windows you have open. Why are they hiding this? Why are they hiding this? It's just so stupid that they're hiding everything. What? I've had it with the stupid start screen. I've had it. You know what? Everything that is useless, I'm getting rid of. Kindle. Get out of here. Xbox, I have a PlayStation 4. I don't care about Xbox. I don't want Xbox. Bing Maps, not going to use that. Windows Movie Maker, alright. Bing Money, that is the stupidest thing in the whole world. Fitness, no. Story time, there's a Windows computer, there should be no Apple stuff on here. OneNote, I hate Microsoft Office 2013. OneDrive, hate that. Windows Store, never going to use that. Reading list, I don't know what that is. It's stupid. Just use Notepad to make a list of books you're going to read. Scan, not going to scan anything. Travel, I use the internet. News is something called the internet. Sports, I just look at the newspaper. Food, just go to my grocery store. Photos, use Windows Photo Viewer. People, I go outside and talk to people. I mean, look at that. I mean, useless, completely useless. Acer apps, Netflix, I'll keep that. Hate that. Hate McAfee. Don't use Amazon. Stupid Acer Explorer, don't use. I watch the Weather Channel. Get out of here, Amazon. Booking, never gonna use that. Never gonna use that. Never gonna use that. Never gonna use that. Unpin. Never gonna use this. Never gonna use this. There is the way I want it now. That is... Look at all that. And I don't even need all of this either. The only thing that should be here is Microsoft Office. That's the only thing I want on there. I mean, look at this. Look at this madness. Look at this. Who thought that this was passable? It is not passable. Yeah, you just have to learn how to use it. What a stupid idiot. You just have to learn how to use Windows 8, then it's good. What? Anyone who likes Windows 8 is an idiot. I mean, anyone who likes Windows 8 on a computer is an idiot. If you like it on, you say, your Windows Phone or something, alright, I can understand that. But if you like Windows 8 on a computer, you're an idiot, you're wrong, you're stupid. How is this better than this? There's no way. Windows 7 is better in every way possible. So yeah. If you didn't get it already, do not downgrade to Windows 8. Do not downgrade. It is useless to downgrade. Why would you want to suffer like I've been suffering? What? I'm not going to deal with this anymore. I've had enough with Windows 8. Unlike the PS4, you can actually fix this problem with Windows 8. I'm going to downgrade the Windows 7 and put an end to this madness. Now, I've had it. Windows 8 sucks. Never get it, ever. And if you have Windows 8, to show how lazy Microsoft is. Alright, so we right click here. And just to show how poorly made this was. So I'm going to my themes. Alright, go to my themes. Now I'm going to click on high contrast light. We click. And what happens is just hilarious. What happens? Oh, where's the names for the icons? How did they not see this? Where are their icon names? It's gone. It's completely gone. I had to click just to see it. Look at this. What is this? I mean, look at this. If I can see this, and then people who've actually created this haven't seen it, there's something wrong there, here. So, switch back to my theme. I mean, really. That is just laziness. So, yeah. Now it's time to downgrade, because I've had enough. After all that, I've had enough with Windows 8. I really have. It is the worst thing I've ever used ever. Now, no one should have to deal with this stupid, dumb new Windows. So what we're going to do now, we're going to upgrade to Windows 7. I've had enough. I've had enough with stupid start screen. I've had enough with all the hidden stuff. It is time to upgrade. Now, I just upgraded to Windows 7. I mean, this is really complicated, since that this laptop doesn't have a disk drive. I had to go to the dumb store, buy a portable disk drive, do the stupid stuff, but now, this laptop is actually usable. I can actually use this. It's not stupid now. So we're going to wait for Windows 7 to load up. When it does, now look, we got Windows 7 now. So much better. Now, all I have to do is just put all my stuff back on this computer. I mean, look. Oh, look. Start menu. Press start. Got a start menu. Now, this computer is usable. It is so much better now. So, that's all. Windows 8 sucks. Don't get it. Never get it. Downgrade the Windows 7 if you have it. And goodbye, everybody.